Yes, good morning students, and welcome you all in the class of mathematics. And here it is the second video for this week where I will explain simplification questions based on multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, then after that we will see some word problems based on multiplication of rational number. Then the important concept of reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of rational number. Okay. Then based on this only we will see some simplification question based on division of rational numbers. Okay, so that we are going to see here. So all of you try to understand from here. Yes students, it is chapter number 4, rational number, standard 7th mathematics, and today's topic is given here, simplification questions based on multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, so first type of question is here given, that simplification, that minus 19 by 36 into 16. So you can divide here like this, 4 into 4 and 4 into 9 times. Okay, then after that this you will do minus 19 into 4 by 9. The numerators you will multiply, and below 16 it is 1 here, the denominator is 1. So you can write that is 9 into 1, then answer will come 19 into 4, 76, minus 76 by 9. Okay, the second number simplification question, this also you can simplify, minus 26 by 42 into 7 by 13. So you will cut like this, 13 into 1 time, and here 13 into 2 time, then 7 into 1 time, 7 into 6 time. This numerator and denominators they can divide. Here also 26 and 13 are placed. 126 is written at numerator place and 13 is denominator. So you will cut. Now after cutting each numbers, that means after dividing the appropriate numbers, then you will multiply that 2 into 1 by 6 into 1. Here it is minus sign available remaining here. So you will write it is minus 2 because the number is minus 26. So you write minus 2 into 1. So it is minus 2 by 6. But this is also divisible. You can cut that 2 into 1 time, 2 into 3 time. Then answer will be minus 1 by 3. Okay. Yes students, now the next question is this, 16 by 15 into minus 25 by 8 plus minus 14 by 27 into 6 by 7, and both these two numbers are in one bracket, and after plus these two numbers are in one bracket. So according to the BODMAS rule, first you will use this rule, BODMAS, BODMAS, first the bracket work you will do, then you will multiply, first divide the numerators, this 16 and 8, denominator it is 8 into 1 time and 8 into 2 times. So this numerator is divisible. Now here 5 into 3 times 15 and 5 into 5 times, that upside number 25. Then this you will cut 3 into 9 time, and this numerator also, both the numbers you will cut with the common factor. 3 is the common factor of 27 and 6. Same way common factor of 14 and 7 is 7 only, 7 into 1 time, and here 7 into 2 time, and this is also 3 into 9 and 3 into 2 times here we have cut. So the numbers will come that here it will come 2 into minus 5, this minus is remaining here, 5 5 is 25, then 5 here and minus is here. So 2 into minus 5 by 3 into 1, in between sign is plus, so that sign as it is you will write here. Now 2 into 2, that is minus 2, here minus is remaining because the number is minus 14. So minus 2 into 2 by 9. Okay, now this you can do 2 into minus 5, minus 10 by 3 plus minus 4 by 9. Now find the LCM of these two denominators, add these two rational numbers. You are knowing how to add the rational numbers. LCM find this 3 and 9, LCM is 9 here. So 3 into 3 times this 9, then 3 into minus 10, you will get minus 30, plus 9 into 1 time equals to this LCM, then 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4 here. Then you will add the numerators, minus 30, plus into minus here, this 2 minus will multiply, sign will multiply, plus into minus, minus here. So minus 30 minus 4 by 9, you will get minus 34 by 9. Okay, so this way you can solve the simplification, large simplification question given in different brackets. First solve the work of brackets, after that, after simplifying the brackets, add the values. If here plus is written, then you can add f, and if here minus is written, then you will subtract the second rational number from first rational number. Okay, we will see that what problems based on multiplication of rational numbers. So if this question is given, a bus is moving at an average speed of 46 whole 2 by 3 km per hour. This is the speed, 46 whole 2 by 3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 2 whole 2 by 5 hours? So this we can solve by the unitary method, that distance covered in 1 hour, you will write that distance covered in 1 hour equals to 46 whole 2 by 3 means 140 by 3 km. Therefore you will write distance covered in this was 2 whole 2 by 5 hours equals to, we will multiply this distance covered in 1 hour, this distance we will multiply with this time, because as by formula also, distance is speed into time, that is it is the speed only, distance covered in 1 hour, so speed into time will give the distance only here. And by unitary method also, distance covered in 1 hour is this, then the distance covered in any other time you have to multiply for that. So 140 any other time duration, so 140 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 5 hours, this much kilometer it will come, because there the unit is given in kilometer per hour and time is also in hours. So 140 by 3 into 12 by 5. Now you will cut this 5 into 1 time, this numerator 5 is denominator and 140 is numerator, so it will divide 5 into 2 times 4 and 0, 5 8 of 40 here, then 3 into 1 time and 3 into 4, so we will get that 28 into 4, 28 into 4 kilometer, so you will get 112 kilometer. So this is the distance covered in the given time, 2 whole 2 by 5 hours. Okay, yes, now the next topic is here, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a rational number. They are same terms, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So we can write that definition. So if the product of two rational number is 1, then each one is called the reciprocal of the other. Each one is called the reciprocal of other. For example, we can write that reciprocal of 25 by 7 is equal to 27 by 25. We have to interchange the place of numerators and denominator. This denominator is going at the place of numerator and numerator is going at the place of denominator. Same here, reciprocal of 7 by 25 is 25 by 7, means you will interchange the place of numerators and denominators, you will change that. Then and their product is 1. According to the definition, it is, you can see that 25 by 7 into 7 by 25, then you will cut that 25 into 1 time here, 7 into 1, 7 into 1, so it will come 1 only. So their product is 1. The two numbers which are multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of each other, their product is 1. Now this also, you in general you can note down that reciprocal of A by B, is b by a. Okay, and the reciprocal of b by a is equals to a by b, and again their product is 1 only. You will multiply this a by b into b by a. So this a and a you will cut, and this b and b, so the product will be 1, because they are written at the place this b is at the numerator and this b is denominator. So this way you will cut, it will come 1 only. Okay. Yes, now the next is, you can see that reciprocal of 19 is 1 by 19, because 19 here is equals to 19 by 1. So reciprocal of 19 by 1 is 1 by 19. And this also important thing, that reciprocal of 0 is undefined, because 0 means here 0 by 1. This 0 is 0 by 1, so its reciprocal is 1 by 0, and at the denominator 0 is not possible, so that's why it is undefined. Next, some simplification question for division, that is 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. So as you are doing in the fraction, you are doing multiplication only in the division also, but after doing the reciprocal of second rational number. First rational number is 4 by 9 and second is minus 5 by 12. So you have to reciprocal the divisor. This is divisor and this is dividend here. First rational number is dividend and second is divisor. So 4 by 9 into 12 by minus 5. Now what is divisible? This 9 and 12 are divisible. 3 into 3 times, 3 into 4 times, then 4 into 4 by 3 into minus 5. 16 by minus 15. Now in a standard form, this minus sign write at the numerator place and make the denominator positive. Minus 16 by 15. So this way you can solve. So now the second question, you can see that it is written minus 16 by 35 divided by 48 by 7. So 48 by 7 is divisor, and it is dividing the dividend minus 16 by 35. So you will reciprocal this divisor, minus 16 by 35. When you will reciprocal? At the time of writing multiply. When you will write multiply, that time only. Reciprocal the second fraction, second rational number, 7 by 48. Then 16 into 1 time and 16 into 3 times. 16 3 is 48. Now 7 into 1 time, 7 into 5 times. It is also divisible, numerators and denominators. So now here remaining what? Minus 1 into 1 at the place. Remaining numerators you will multiply. Here 1 is there and this is minus. So minus 1 into 1 and downside 5 into 3. So you have got the number minus 1 by 15. Okay students. So this way you can divide the rational numbers. Now one more fill in the blanks type of questions are there, such as 27, fill in the blanks here. 27 by 16 divided by this blank space is equals to minus 15 by 8. Then you can assume that the number is x, that the required number is x. Then 27 by 16 divided by x equals to minus 15 by 8. Then reciprocal of x by 1 here is 1 by x. You will do the reciprocal of this second rational number. Then 27 by 16, it is multiplying on the LHS side, then it will divide on the RHS side. So you will write minus 15 by 8 divided by 27 by 16. Then reciprocal it, the second number, rational number, second rational number, you will get 16 by 27. Now 8 into 1 time, 8 into 2 time. Then 3 into 5 times this is divisible, and 3 into 9 times this denominator. So you will do that. Minus is remaining here, minus 10 by 9. This 1 into 9 is, so 1 by x is equals to minus 10 by 9. Now cross multiplication you can do. Minus 10 into x equals to 9 into 1. then x equals to 9 by minus 10, and this minus sign then sent at the place of numerator in the standard form of rational number. So x is minus 9 by 10. So this you will write at the place of this, x equals to minus 9 by 10. Okay, students? So now in homework you will solve exercise 4E question number 3 to 6 and exercise 4F question number 1 to 3 from R.S. Agarwal book. So thank you everyone.